Vinyl window installation is a crucial service for homeowners looking to enhance their property's energy efficiency and aesthetic appeal. In Kendall, vinyl window replacement is a popular choice due to its durability and cost-effectiveness. Vinyl windows Kendall are especially valued for combining affordability with long-term performance. Energy-efficient windows Kendall are designed to reduce energy consumption, leading to significant window energy savings Kendall over time. Window frame replacement Kendall is essential for maintaining the structural integrity of your windows. Custom vinyl windows Kendall offer a tailored solution to fit any architectural style, ensuring a perfect match for your home. Double-hung windows Kendall are a versatile option, providing both functionality and style. Window glass installation Kendall is a necessary service for addressing cracks or damage, ensuring your windows remain secure and efficient. Window insulation Kendall is vital for maintaining a comfortable indoor temperature, reducing the need for excessive heating or cooling. Window maintenance Kendall services help prolong the lifespan of your windows, keeping them in optimal condition. With vinyl windows Kendall is a durable choice. Window screen replacement Kendall is an affordable way to improve ventilation while keeping pests out. Window weatherproofing Kendall is crucial for protecting your home from the elements, preventing water damage and drafts. Window noise reduction Kendall solutions paired with vinyl windows Kendall are ideal for creating a peaceful indoor environment, free from external disturbances. Window UV protection Kendall is important for safeguarding your interiors from harmful sun rays, preventing fading and damage to furnishings. Window tinting Kendall services offer both privacy and energy efficiency, making them a popular choice among homeowners. Window condensation Kendall solutions address moisture buildup, preventing mold and mildew growth, while vinyl windows Kendall provide long-lasting clarity and performance. Window security Kendall features provide peace of mind, ensuring your home is protected against intruders. Window design Kendall consultations help you choose the best style and functionality for your needs. Window measurement Kendall services ensure a precise fit, crucial for effective installation and performance of vinyl windows Kendall. Window installation Kendall is expertly handled by our team of window installation experts Kendall, ensuring a seamless and efficient process. Window replacement cost Kendall is competitive, offering affordable window services Kendall without compromising on quality. Our window installation warranty provides assurance of long-term performance, especially with vinyl windows Kendall. Window replacement reviews Kendall highlight the satisfaction of our clients, showcasing our commitment to excellence. Best window installers Kendall are dedicated to providing top-notch service, ensuring your windows are installed to the highest standards. Window installation services Kendall are available for any issues that may arise, keeping vinyl windows Kendall in perfect condition. Window hardware upgrade options are available to enhance the functionality and security of your windows. Window style options offer a wide range of choices to suit any taste or preference. Custom window solutions, including vinyl windows Kendall, are designed to meet the unique needs of each homeowner, providing a personalized touch to your home. Window seal replacement is essential for maintaining energy efficiency and preventing air leaks. Window insulation services are designed to enhance the thermal performance of your windows, reducing energy costs. Window design consultation services help you select the perfect windows for your home, and vinyl windows Kendall are a smart option for long-term results. Looking for the best vinyl window installation in Kendall? Our team of window installation experts in Kendall specializes in energy-efficient windows and custom vinyl windows. We offer a wide range of window style options to suit your home's aesthetic and improve energy savings. Our window installation services in Kendall come with a comprehensive warranty, ensuring peace of mind for all our clients who choose vinyl windows Kendall. If you need window frame replacement in Kendall, our affordable window services are the perfect solution. We provide top-notch window glass installation and window seal replacement to enhance your home's insulation. Our window insulation services in Kendall are designed to reduce energy costs and improve comfort. Trust our window installation services in Kendall and Vinyl Windows Kendall for all your window maintenance needs. Double-hung windows in Kendall are a popular choice for homeowners seeking both style and functionality. Our window hardware upgrade services ensure your windows operate smoothly and securely. We also offer window screen replacement and window weatherproofing in Kendall to protect your home from the elements. Our window noise reduction solutions in Vinyl Windows Kendall are perfect for creating a peaceful indoor environment. Enhance your home's security with our window security features in Kendall. Our window design consultation services help you choose the perfect windows for your home. We provide precise window measurement services to ensure a perfect fit. Our window installation experts in Kendall are committed to delivering exceptional results every time with Vinyl Windows Kendall. Concerned about window condensation? Our window condensation solutions in Kendall effectively address this issue, preventing damage and maintaining clarity. We also offer window UV protection and window tinting services in Kendall to protect your interiors from harmful rays. Our window UV protection solutions in Vinyl Windows Kendall help preserve your furniture and flooring. For those interested in window replacement cost in Kendall, we provide transparent pricing and detailed window replacement reviews to help you make an informed decision. Our custom window solutions in Kendall are tailored to meet your specific needs and preferences. Experience the benefits of energy-efficient windows in Vinyl Windows Kendall with our expert services. Our window maintenance services in Kendall ensure your windows remain in top condition year-round. We offer comprehensive window weatherproofing and window noise reduction solutions to enhance your home's comfort. Our window UV protection and window tinting services in Kendall add an extra layer of protection and style, while Vinyl Windows Kendall ensure long-lasting durability. Choose the best window installers in Kendall for your next project. Our window installation experts in Kendall are dedicated to providing high-quality services and exceptional customer satisfaction. With our window energy savings solutions and Vinyl Windows Kendall, you can enjoy reduced utility bills and a more comfortable living environment. Contact us today for all your vinyl window replacement needs in Kendall.